Lightweight and compact, the M3i can be easily transported around the house when you don't need it and is designed to deliver one of the best, low-impact workouts when you do. Whisper quiet and maintenance-free, the M3i strengthens your core, glutes, and legs and provides world-class conditioning. Built-in Bluetooth capability and a free tablet holder from StudioCycles allows connectivity with all your favorite workout apps and to receive professional-level personal training right from your home with fan-favorite classes such as Peloton, Zwift, and Trainer Road. Order over the phone or online for exclusive discounts, customized bundle packages, and receive a free lifetime part warranty for every home user. Mention this video and we'll even give you a free full year of labor warranty, exclusively from StudioCycles and not available from any other dealer.